Hello everyone, I'm Isma from FX Kampala. In today's video, we're going to look at how you can create a trading account after creating an account with a brokerage. Because there are two different things that actually normally disturb people. One is creating an account with the brokerage under your profile, and then after creating that brokerage account with you under your profile, then you can create various trading accounts. Now, in today's video, I want us to look at the various ways or the various steps, the procedures that you have to take when you're creating a trading account. Of course, after creating a brokerage account under your profile, you create a trading account. So you can have so many trading accounts, okay, with various capital and with various purposes. So in today's video, I want us to create this account. After creating this account, I show you step-by-step ways of how you can link it onto the trading platform. For instance, in this video, we shall look at basically how you can create an account and link it onto the trading account purposely, specifically in this video, the MT4. Because there are things that we need to know in particular when you are trading. One, you will create a trading account with the broker. Two, you will create a trading account, or one or two or three. These are under your profile with which you created with your broker. Then you can trade this on various for various purposes and probably on various platforms. But after doing that, you still have to download the trading platform, because the trading platform, when it comes to MT4, we're not necessarily supposed to trade onto the dashboard or the web or the website or on the browser, but you're supposed to trade on a different trading platform. And we have various types of platforms such as MT4, MT5, and for instance, in this video we shall look specifically on how you click or join or connect your account with your trading platform. Now, the first thing you're supposed to do, we're going to create an account step by step. Of course, definitely this defines which type of account you will create and forth. Then afterwards, we shall link it and see and definitely run it. Okay, specifically, we're going to create a real account, not a demo account this time round, with various brokers. For instance, we shall choose two brokerages on which we shall practice on to see step-by-step ways of how you can create your trading account. Now, let's get onto our laptop and see step-by-step ways of how you can do this. First, we are going to log in onto our account. After logging in onto our account, we shall look on basically two brokers, ways of how you can create an account, and definitely it's the same procedure you take when you're creating with the other or the rest of the other brokers. Now, let's get on to our on our platform. Now, this is our platform, our MT4 platform, which we already know because I created a video specifically taking you through all the features, all the characteristics of this platform, and I believe we all know how this platform works like. Now, when you look at this platform, this is a trading platform, but again, we're going to log in onto our account. Okay, this is our platform and it is an MT4 platform. We're going to log in into our account. Then we create a trading account from which we're going to link in or connect with this or onto this account. Then afterwards we can execute trades, buy, short, and and forth. So let's get onto our account. For instance, you go to your browser. Definitely, I've already logged in. Okay, I've already logged in into my account, of course, that I created with the broker. I'm assuming that after creating an account with the broker, doing all the verifications, then the next thing will now go on to me creating a trading account. Now, when you go on here, because I remember, like in the previous video, I took you through the procedures, okay, all the features and the icons and the features of this platform. But this time specifically, we're going to look at specifically creating this account. Now, when you look, you actually first this is where we get our where we create our account from, and again you will have to log in. Okay, you'll have to log in because I'm logged in. That's why here you see log out. This where I've circled. Okay, you see I've already logged in. Okay, and now I'm into my account. I'm assuming this is a new account. Then you click where I circled here previously. You click there. You click there. When you click here, there is when you click here, there is open a trading account. Okay. When you click on open trading account, this is what will come onto your account. This is what is going to come on your account. Let me first wrap this. Yes, this is what will come onto your account. So they bring you the various types of the accounts that you can create. For instance, we have a micro account, we have a premier, we have auto, and forth. There is quite a lot more types of accounts that you can create. Then, for instance, for this time round, you can choose a micro account. Okay, when you click on micro account, here the minimum deposit you can deposit is $5 and forth. So each account type has gotten favorable, or it has gotten different priorities, okay, and different ways, different bonuses and forth. So when you look on premier, you can deposit with $100, and when you look on auto is you can deposit with $200. Of course, these as well come in with more favors that you actually can create with these accounts. Now, for instance, let's be like creating micro account. When you create a micro account, when we scroll down, what happens is you can choose the specific lot size that you are willing to change. For instance, you can choose 1 to 100, 1 to 800, 1 to 60, though I recommend 1 to 400. So choose this. Leverage, of course, we know what leverage is, okay? At least I discussed this in the previous videos. If you haven't, please go into our previous videos and make sure you go through basically what leverage is and have an extensive understanding of what basically leverage is, because we did discuss this in our previous video. And if you find it interesting, please don't hesitate to subscribe onto our page, such that you are at least one of those few clients that can get alerts or notifications every time we upload a new video. When we get back on here, you can as well, they ask you the account type that you want to choose, the currency type that you want to trade with this account, and there is basically two. You can trade within the US dollars and euro, just like when you go to bank. When you go to bank, they always ask you which account type do you want to open. Is it a dollar account? Is it a Uganda shilling account? And forth. So the same applies here. When you create your account, they ask you the base currency. Normally we call it the base currency that you want your account to be. For instance, I actually prefer the US dollar. Then 100% credit, they can ask a bonus, of course, giving a bonus of 100%. For instance, when you deposit $100, you get a bonus of $100. Then you'll be trading with $200. So these are some of the bonuses that come on with the various accounts and forth. Now, you can also get this bonus. You can also click on no bonus, but I advise you to click on bonus. Then you click on I confirm that I've read and agreed to the terms and conditions, of course, after going through the terms and conditions. Then for this, please, if you find this video interesting, please at least you put the ID as 05. Put the ID here if you find this video helpful, for purposes of low transaction cost, as due to this link that you use, or this ID that you put that will work as your introducing ID. You can choose hours and put it there. That is 1057707, and put it here. Okay, if you find this video helpful, then after you can click OK. After putting 10,057,707 and put it here, okay, you type it there. If you find it interesting, then you can open up this account. Now, what happens after you've created your account? Then after creating your account, we see, because we are in the process of creating an account now, what happens is that they normally give you the details of the accounts of this account that you will use to connect your brokerage account under your profile to your trading account. That is the login ID, which we see here. Let me highlight it. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is the trading account login ID. So you are specifically supposed to choose this and copy it somewhere or put it somewhere. Then you're also supposed to copy this password. Okay, this is also another important aspect. Copy this password as well or write it somewhere, because it's very important. Now this is the account, this is the password specifically for investors, because you can create an account where you can specifically need someone to trade for you, but you're monitoring, you know less about trading and forth. So this is the password you're actually supposed to stay with. Then the trading password is for basically for someone that will be managing your account. So after doing this, we actually remain on the next thing is basically for us to go on our platform. Then after going on our platform, then we choose you select the broker, just like the way we're going to see. Then you choose the server, because as you let me first delete this, because as the details come, you realize that they also give you the server. The server is also another important aspect, is another important thing that we need to basically look at. It's very, very important. This one that I've just circled, it's very, very important. You shouldn't miss out on it. It's very, very important, because it's basically which server you're going to be trading on. So it's important, and it helps you to connect, basically because you are assigned to a blocker, and you are assigned to a server from which you'll be trading with. Then after doing all this, let me first wrap. After us doing all this, we're going to go to our trading platform. We go to our trading platform. For instance, I have already opened my platform, so make sure you already downloaded your MT4, because we also created a video specifically showing you on how you can create your MT4 and how to download and create your MT4 account. How to download the MT4 and install it on your platform. After reaching our platform, now we already created a video that specifically takes you through the icons and the features of this platform. After reaching onto this platform, you go up in the up here. You go up here where you see file. When you click where there is file, up here where you see file, when you click there, you actually go where there is open an account. Of course, after doing all the installation to allow this MT4 run and open like this, you go up where you've seen where there is a file in the corner. Then you come below where there is open an account. When you click on open an account, it will definitely bring you the current servers onto your display. Now after bringing you here onto your display, then you look out on a specific server that was allocated your account, your trading account. For instance, if you're not sure about it, you can always go back and check it. For instance, our server was HF Markets SV live server this. So we're going to look Hot Forex server V SV. Then you can go back and then we look for our server. We look for our server. Look for our server. If it's not there, you actually come below where there is add, because apparently we have seen we do not have it down. So what we are supposed to do, we are going to come down here and type in the name of the server that you actually was given to you, or the first or is the first letters or the first words that are on your server. For instance, I can just go and copy the name of the server here, copy, then because I've noticed I don't have that server already, among the servers that are on this platform. So what I can do, I paste it there. When I paste, I start the scanning. By scanning, it means that the servers are now going to be brought onto this account specifically for me to choose which for this particular brokerage to choose and start trading on. Let's wait as we look out, as it looks out, or as it scans for the servers that were specifically looking out for this specific broker. So if the broker has gotten so many of these as it's loading, okay, it will delay because it will have now to scan those servers and bring them, because now when you put in the specific server, it will scan all the servers and bring them onto your MT4 for you to select which in particular. So normally it doesn't take quite long. It normally doesn't take long. So we're going to look, it's going to display all our servers that we have for this specific brokerage. And if you can load you can have various accounts on the same platform. You can trade, let's say, from different brokers, like 5 brokers or 10 brokers under the same account, and you can simply always be choosing different accounts that you logged in with the same brokerage. So you can use the same platform for different brokerages for you to trade on when you're using different brokerages. Just as we see here, we have a couple of so many brokers that we're using on this particular platform. Well, after the scan, you realize that it has now brought the servers that we're looking for. When you look here now, we have all the servers that we've been looking for. So what you're supposed to do, just come here and paste in where there is scan, where there is add below, like the way we did. Put in the server that you've been allocated, then definitely start scanning. Then it will bring all the alternative servers of particular brokers, of that particular broker from which you can choose and log in. Now ours, we said, was I think it was HF Markets SV Live 5, so which is this one. Then after getting it, you click on it, then you first confirm before you click on it. You go and confirm. Yes, live 5. Yes, go and confirm. Then after confirming that it is the one, then you click on next. Now when you click on next, it means it will bring you this interface. On this interface, make sure you click on existing trading account or trade account, because you already created it with you, and it's here. So you click there. Then you realize that when we go back, as we created this, I told you to save the login ID and the password. So copy the login ID, okay, then bring it just like the way we see. Make sure you bring it here and paste it there, okay. Make sure you bring it and paste it there. Yes, after, still again go and copy the password and paste it there. But you have to make sure that we have 2 passwords. We have the trading password and the investor's password. So if you're to trade, you will use this password. So I will use the same login ID and the password. So if you're an investor, you will definitely have to carry the ID and the investor's password. But fact being that this is the trading password, so we shall choose the trading password. So you simply copy it as well for the trading, and then you also put it here. When you put it there, then you click on finish, you definitely see the account that has been there or that was there is definitely going to choose. It's in the process of changing to our account. It's in the process. It doesn't change automatically. It's in the process. It will definitely change to the account that you created, which you realize that it's a 0. Now when you look here, it will now show you 0 balance, because now it has flipped, and where you can actually specifically get the accounts will be here. So you can have as many accounts here. It will show to you that now this is the account, and for you to show that it's a valid account, you will definitely supposed to come in on this corner here below, on this corner here below where I've circled, and make sure that it is moving. When it is moving perfectly, or if it doesn't bring in invalid account, or when it doesn't show anything on no internet, make sure you have internet, and make sure that you copied the numbers properly. So that is one way of how you can create an account. Let me rub this. That's how we link our account, and probably you can start of course trading, buying and selling. That's if you've already funded money onto this account, you buy and sell and blah 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 and forth. Now we said we shall look at shall be looking at basically 2 brokerages from which we shall be studying on how basically we can link these various accounts on basically these 2 brokers. Now on the second broker, you simply need to come here where there is let me circle for you and see, there is dashboard here. Make sure you come on this dashboard. Then secondly, come under below accounts. Then when you reach below accounts, choose on below accounts, on below accounts, you choose on below account, you choose create account. On below accounts, you choose create account. Now the new account, creating new account, will come here. Then you can click here. When you click on this draw down, it will bring various types of accounts. For the Muslims, you can open this account, Muslim Forex account. For the non-Muslims, you can open the universal accounts. Now this comes without interest, and then this is for normal trading, like the way we know normal trading. Of course, we're going to create one account that we're going to link. Okay, normally with all brokers, when you create this trading account, they always send a copy to your trading to your email that you registered with when you're creating this account on this specific or on the specific broker. So we're going to create the universal. When you click on it, select the type of account you chose, you definitely will run for you to give you the login and password. Now when we specifically look at this particular broker, he actually uses normally 2 servers, which is very easy for us. Okay, one is for the Sense account, and the other is for the normal, all the rest of the other accounts. Now the fact being that we've created an account, okay, so you copy, because we're going to repeat the same procedures or the same procedure that we did. You come onto your trading platform, come where there is a file, okay, open an account. So when you click on an account, okay, you can look for the servers that are there. So sometimes when you go to your email, they actually give you even the servers. If they don't provide it on the display after you've created an account, they actually represent to you the servers on your email. Now when you look at this particular broker, he has gotten actually only 2 servers. There is this one and this one. Of course, this one it has this and this, okay. It has this and this, okay, this and this and this. So we're going to choose this one, okay, because the account that we created is in line with what we created. So you click there, you click on existing, then you paste your logins there, and then you also go and look for the password, copy it and paste it again. We're going to paste it. When you paste it again and you finish, okay, it will definitely also change automatically. Of course, sometimes you need to see something like an email down here. When it changes, definitely like the way it has changed, so it means that a new account has also been there, and it adds up onto the accounts that are basically you can see here. So here is where the accounts that we do have actually are. And basically, if you want to flip or change from one account to another, just need to click on it, double click on it. It brings in a login here when you log in. So make sure that it also shows you here that there is some data that is flowing on here. Please, if you have found this video helpful and we've been successful on creating this video, this account, if you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to subscribe, okay? For those that really need how to trade, please, you can visit www.fxkampala with us and get our details, or we have the details within this video. So for those that missed out on the previous video, you can click up here and you will see the video that specifically looks on basically how you can create an account, or just go into YouTube and type in how to create a forex trading account in Uganda. We'll see all these videos and forth. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching our video. I've been Isma Sewankambo. I do sign out. Bye.